Here is some delicious, authentic guacamole made right here in Mexico by a professional chef. Take a look at how he does it. Take 2 avocados and slice them in half. Remove the pit. And it's super easy to use a spoon. Just peel it out. Put it in your bowl. Now once that's complete, just use your spoon and fork and chop it up. See how he chops it instead of mashes it. Just work it around the bowl. Once you have this well chopped, you're going to take sliced onions, well chopped, chopped cilantro, and some chopped tomato. Add that to the bowl. Next, you're going to take some lime, and he uses 2 spoons and just squeezes the juice out. Get plenty of lime juice. Stir it up. Add a little salt. Pepper to taste. Give it a final stir. Once it's well mixed, voila, complete.